Welcome to the Graphic Design and Photo Editing Nano Degree. Are you a creative person who enjoys bringing your ideas to life? Maybe you find yourself innovating in your free time and want to learn more about the components of great graphic design. Join me in April for this Nano Degree, where you will learn the principles of design and the web-based software, Pixlr. Pixlr is a free, user-friendly, and approachable program that I consider an excellent precursor to Adobe Photoshop. You'll have the opportunity to learn to design in this friendly environment, and we will explore the role that photo editing plays in design. We will carry out a basic and exciting design project that will allow you the experimentation and give you the practice you will need to keep designing whenever you want. I hope to see you there.